Howdy. Some time ago, I made a video about that. Some years ago, I have been watching a documentary about that, and it was very interesting. They were talking about time 250,000 years from now. What kind of sign you have to put in front of that nuclear waste storage facility that people understand what's written on the sign in 250,000 years or 1 million years? I will put a link below to this article and maybe to the video as well, but the reason why I talk about this again is some earthquake activity. 1.57 hours ago, and since it's reported by Norsa, we don't know anything about the depth, as always. And here we have at least the nuclear facilities Olkiluoto. I couldn't figure out yet where exactly this nuclear necropolis is built. Google Earth didn't find it. Maybe I will find it one day. But I have noticed these structures around the Quake. So I made a screenshot and tried to enhance a little bit of what we can see, since we cannot see much. And this is Olkiluoto, the nuclear facility, and I just want to still measure how far away we are, approximately. Some 30 kilometers or something from the Quake. And obviously there's nothing to see in the Gulf of Botnia. It's all blurred out. And before I go to this picture I enhanced, I just wanted to show you this little island, the closest island to the Quake. Sapin Majakka. Sappi. This looks very peatish. We have rather white shores at some places. I don't know if that's salt water or fresh water. It could be very well fresh water. There is some facility. Maybe they have water which is coming out of the ground. Maybe drilled, but nonetheless. Iso rauha. And also here we have some reddish coloring at the shore in the gravel. And some kind of water body on an island. But anyway, let's have a look at this, at the enhanced picture of this. There might be some bigger structure around the Quake. Really hard to say. Since we just have pixels to watch at. But it has at least a bow shape, or bow-like shape, which is rather interesting. And I still try to find some good maps from the Baltic Sea and all these regions, but they are almost impossible to find. If anybody knows where to find these kind of like accurate maps and stuff like this, tell me. Because everything here is blurred out. Everything. There's a really deep trench and stuff, but you cannot see anything. And I've been wondering many times about these. But you cannot really see them. If you zoom in, you see even less. And now let's go to search for some shorelines where it's actually, or see how it's possible to see the sea. Groningen, once again. Oh man, jumped somewhere else. Again. Groningen? Yes, Groningen. Not too far from there we have the growing islands and stuff. But for example, like wherever you go, like in the middle of the ocean basically, or Atlantic, you can see much better like details. In some places they are really accurate. Yeah. Just imagine having this kind of accuracy in the map of the Baltic Sea. I think it would be very interesting. If you go here, you don't see anything. Some little features here and there. But as closer you go, the less you see. I think there's plenty. There would be a plenty to see. I once found something somewhere here. I don't remember exactly where it was. I made a video about it. I found some map in some paper and there were tetrahedrons and stuff. But they were like submerged in the water. Maybe it was somewhere here near Tallinn. I don't know. If you are really patient, you will probably even find the video somewhere. I have no idea what kind of name it has. But some Quake activity in Scandinavia, not far from nuclear facility. Olkiluoto. Let's check something out. Yeah, here you can actually zoom really close in. That's the world's 5th most expensive building ever built. And think about a tsunami. There has been tsunamis also in the Baltic Sea, I think, because it's a global phenomenon. Think about the tsunami of 5 meters height, or 10. Yeah, these kind of Fukushimas are all over the globe. And it's absolutely safe since there is never anything happening, no earthquakes or whatsoever. Yeah, this didn't do anything, I know. 1.5 with no depth announced or whatsoever. But nonetheless, activity. Undeniable activity. And I think this would be so much more interesting if we could see what's on the bottom of the sea, but they don't show us. For whatever reason. Yeah, let's end it with this amazing landscape up here. I think it was this other one, the smaller one. There's like so many mining operations going on in these places. This would be a really cool place once to go hiking. They are rather similar in shape. But anyway, I think I leave it here. There are many nuclear power plants also in Russia. Yes, they are all over the planet. Jamoni, Grajuras, constant activity. Yeah, let's end this with a glacier. Glacier du Tacul. Always fascinating. Always very interesting. Thanks. Bye.